ready to look for your last treasure?
Uh-huh, we're ready.
For wondrous treasures, you've looked and you've looked. Now the very last one can be found in a book. Good luck.
Okay, let's look for a book. Tell me if you see one. Oh, a book! Aww, it has cute little food kitties on the cover.
That's my favorite cookbook.
Our last treasure is hidden in a land made of food?
Uh-huh.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get in there. Whoa, check out those cotton candy clouds.
And that pineapple sun.
Fruit cars?
Hop on, treasure hunters. And away we go.
Fantastic!
Whee!
Woohoo!
Oh, no! Which way do we go now?
I don't know. Yet. But I'm sure we can figure it out.
Psst. Ask me for a treasure hunt hint.
Okay, Cakey. Could you please give us a treasure hunt hint?
I thought you'd never ask. 2 paths lie ahead, made of things you can munch. To head to your treasure, take the path that goes crunch.
There's a path made of bananas and a path made of pretzels. Which food goes crunch when you eat it? Pretzels, yeah! We need to take the path made of pretzels. Let's go!
A swirling smoothie sea.
And 2 fruity bridges. But which should we take to find our last treasure?
Time for a treasure hunt hint.
Lay it on us, Cakey.
You're hot on the trail and getting close, very. The right bridge to take is the one made of berries.
Which bridge is made out of berries? That one, yeah! Strawberries and blueberries. Woohoo! Let's go!
Whee!
Vroom, vroom!
Whoa!
We made it!
Meowsers! I've heard of a desert island, but not a dessert island. Ah!
Are you ready for your last treasure hunt hint?
We are so ready!
We crunched down the path, rode over Smoothie Sea. Now to find your last treasure, look in the donut tree.
A tree made of donuts? I've got to see this!
Where's the donut tree? There it is! So yummy!
You know I've got to climb this donut tree.
Go for it, Pandy.
Let's find that treasure. Not here. Not here either. I found it! Ta-da!
Yay, Pandy!
I knew you could do it.
A donut kitty!
Aw, it's so sweet.
Hi, little donut kitty.
Meow, meow, meow.
She knows my name.
Oh, I love all my new kitty charms so much.